Welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about my Bullydog GT Platinum gas tuner. So pretty simple install. You can see I've got it on the windshield. I put it through the hand grip, one zip tie there to hold the cable. It comes off, you can take it off, and the way I've got it set up, it stays there. And I kind of just stuck it in there. And this little tray here, it's stayed there since I put it in. This cable runs down here. It's behind the door. When you close the doors, you can't even see it. You've got it run up along here. The control module, I put the Velcro. That's it right there. You can see the cable. I put it on top of the hood latch. It's stuck right on there. It's set perfectly. There's where it plugs into the OBD port, and I ran it through the vent to the other side. Go to the other side, have a look of where I tapped into the fuse. Oh, door's locked, sorry, try again. So you want a keyed fuse, one that has power when the key's on, and has no power when the key's off. So, just so happens that most of these fuses fit that criteria. So I pulled the glove compartment out. I ran it along the beam in here, zip tied it to that to keep it nice and clean and up. This fuse right here, there was no fuse there, that was a blank space. So a spare, so I didn't have to worry about anything else. I just put a new fuse in there, plugged it in. Now we'll look at some of the screens. So far, so good with this. I haven't had it that long. I haven't tried too many things, but I do like it so far. So it is pretty small, but when you get it halfway up the windshield, it's fairly close to you, so you can see it. So gauges. This is your normal driving display. You can go to menu. Install download, so that installs the tunes. For the Titan, there's 2 tunes. 1 tune for regular fuel and 1 tune for premium fuel. I haven't tried the premium fuel yet. I haven't wanted to spend extra money on premium gas, so I haven't tried that one yet. Could I tell the difference with the regular tune? Not really, it's hard to tell. It depends what you're doing with the truck, but for regular driving, it is hard to tell. So, gauge setup, you can choose four items, and this is all the stuff you've got to choose from. You've got your MAF sensor, air fuel ratio, fuel economy, fuel flow, air fuel ratio, auxiliary, so you can add some more in, and frequency. So you can display timing, load, trans temp, IPW, I don't know what that is. Battery voltage, intake temperature, throttle, that's percent open, coolant temperature, RPM, your speed, your pyro, and you can choose from all those. So you've got different options, and these are the Bullydog options for the unit itself. You can see those units. So performance testing, that's basically 0 to 60 test. So you can do 0 to 60 miles per hour, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour. And that's so you can test out the different tunes, different stuff on your truck. So there's a driving coach that's it coaches you to be fuel efficient while you're driving to save gas. And then you've got your vehicle settings. You can set warning levels. Special functions, you can change the timing, change the idle RPM. And then you've got your diagnostics. And this is one of the good features about this that makes it worthwhile. Any check engine lights, you can display them here. So I've got one. This one's come on since I installed my cold air intake, which is an AFE. So we can clear them from here. Saves you from going to the dealer. So that's a mass airflow sensor warning, and it's because it's over range. It's getting too much air. So there's uninstall. It's currently uninstalled. So there's your settings. What truck it's for. My truck. So what's really nice about these units is you can uninstall them, update the tuner on the internet, and install them in different vehicles. So I bought this one used. It was originally on a Ram truck. So one thing to do if you're buying a used one, make sure it's uninstalled. See status not installed. Because if it's still installed to the old truck, you have to pay Bullydog to reset it, and that's like $200 for them to do that. So I paid what, $300 for these, or about $600 new, but so far I like it. It's got, so I can track my information here. I can check engine lights. Yeah, and I can put a tune on here. So if you want the best of the best, get UpRev, which is a custom tune. But with that, you have to have a laptop. I don't have a laptop, so I would have had to buy a laptop, and you have to buy your UpRev. So you're looking at $600 for UpRev, and then whatever it costs for a decent enough laptop to run it. So there you go. There's my Bullydog GT. So far, so good. I'm still going to test it out. I'm going to try the premium tune next. My next tank of gas will be premium gas. I'll try the premium tune. And look forward to my next